Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox our Boxycharm. It is currently April, which is kind of crazy. But before we get started, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter, and we'll just get into the video. So this is our order of business today. So let's just jump right into it and open it up. So the theme is Spring Revival. I like the colors of the card. And the first thing I see in the box is this. This is the Christophe Instant Volumizing Leave-In Mist with Rose Water. Uplifted roots and fuller lengths. It is $39. It says this mist makes thin, fine, or flat hair feel thicker and full of body while delivering an easy-to-style hold. Using a delicate rose blend infused formula, helps enhance hair's texture and provides lift at the roots for a long-lasting volumized look. Now, I don't know if you guys can tell, but my hair is very straight and very flat and fine, so this product's right up my alley. It says though that it's like an easy to style hold, so I'm wondering if it's more like a hairspray. I don't know. It kind of smells like a hairspray. So, I don't know. I guess I'll just like spray it on my roots. I don't know. We'll just, we'll do it somewhere like inconspicuous, I guess. I just washed my hair earlier, so I'm like not wanting to get too much product in it yet. Ah. Okay. It says to apply to dry or damp hair, misting the roots and lengths. So I guess like your whole hair. Is that what it means by roots and lengths? Do we see a difference? I don't think I see a difference. Do you see a difference? I don't think I see a difference. Maybe like a little bit. No, I don't know. Let's try the other side. I'm not gonna spray it all the way on like my entire hair, like all the way down. I'm just gonna spray it on the root, I guess. It doesn't say to like rub it in or anything. So, yeah, I don't think it does anything. Let's see what happens like when it dries. And if it gets like really stiff, I guess it's more of a hairspray. Let's see, where did I spray it? I sprayed it like in here somewhere, right? I mean, it doesn't feel like stiff like if I were to hairspray on it. I don't know. I'm not sure how I feel about that thing. But anyways, next product in the box is this, and this is the Sila or Cela Glacier Clay Cleanser. Gentle Glacial Cleansing Cream. Helps the removal of makeup, environmental pollutants, and dead facial skin cells. I do love a good clay mask, so it's $45. Oh, I was hearing noises and I think it's my cat. But anyways, enriched with natural botanical extracts and minerals from the glacial oceanic clay to leave skin soft, fresh, and radiant. So yeah. And the next thing in the box is this, and this I actually picked for my box. So yeah, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills ABH Luminous Foundation. I got mine in the shade 365C. So we'll see if that like actually is a good shade match for me. So here's the bottle. It's glass. I would love a glass bottle. It says foundation down the back, which I thought was kind of interesting because I feel like this doesn't really go with like their brand, you know? I don't know, maybe that's just me. Nice pump. I mean, it might be a little orange. We'll just have to see. But let's go ahead and try this on. Oh wait. Hold up. It's $38. Water resistant liquid foundation. Luminous natural finish. Alright. No need to set with a powder. We'll see about that one. With my skin, doubtful. I'm going to do one side with a brush and one side with a sponge. We'll do sponge and brush. So we'll do the sponge side first of all. Got way too much, but that's okay. Oh, a very full coverage even with the sponge. So that's interesting. Okay, so far, it actually, with the sponge at least, it's looking like it's like blending into my skin pretty well, like into my skin, I mean. The color's a little off, but that's okay. It's fine. Okay, now let's do it with the brush. This is the Alamar Cosmetics bronzer brush. I use it for foundation though. Okay. Let's see. Initial thoughts. First of all, we're ignoring the color. It's definitely a little orange. I'm hoping it will be okay once I get concealer and stuff on though. I have a fuzzy on my nose. There it is. Okay. Let's see. So, actually, both sides look pretty good, to be honest. It's looking a little cakey here. I don't know why, but that's not, maybe just because I have a little bit of texture there, I don't know. Both sides actually look really good though. Honestly, though, I prefer the sponge side, I think. But the brush side looks good too. It's just, it looks a little heavier, but that's kind of expected when you use a brush. But they both look really good. They both really blend into the skin, especially the sponge side. But even on the brush side, it blends into the skin really well. So yeah, like it doesn't like look like it's like sitting on top of my skin, you know. So yeah, I think I would actually give this a thumbs up. So we'll see how it like wears throughout the video, and if it like sets. It says I don't need to set it, but we'll see about that one. Guys, I realized I wasn't recording. I'm not entirely sure what the last thing I got was, but in case it wasn't the next product that I have on my eyelids, it was this. This is the Lucky, what's it called? Lucky Chick liquid eyeshadow in Rose Quartz, and it is $22, and I like it. The only thing is I did kind of like 2 layers so that it was like super intense. The only thing that I don't really like about it is like it's kind of like stiff on my eyelids, but I feel like that's pretty common with liquid eyeshadows anyway, because they like dry down, so it like makes like a crust, if you will. But other than that, I think it's good. I don't really use liquid eyeshadows that much, to be honest, but it is really pretty. Yeah. This video has kind of been a mess, so. But anyways, we'll do the last product in the box, and that is this. This is the item Beauty Lash Snack lengthening mascara. I believe this is Addison Rae's. Yeah, Addison Rae's makeup line. Flake-free, smudge-proof lengthening mascara. Naturally enhance every single lash for 3 times the volume. That's interesting because it's a lengthening mascara, but we'll see. The box is really interesting. It has like this pull tab, I guess. Oh, that didn't really work. Try that again. And then it says a dose of self-love on the inside. Sure. And then we have the mascara on the inside. The packaging's really pretty. I like the color. I love a good like periwinkle-ish moment. I don't really use lengthening mascaras. I tend to opt for more volumizing mascaras. I got makeup on my contact, my left contact, and I literally like can't see out of it right now, so my vision's all sorts of whack right now, but it's fine. But anyways, oh, the brush is really small. It's like the size of a brow brush almost. That's interesting. But we'll see. I guess maybe it'll be good for like bottom lashes. I don't know. We'll just do it. I'll just do it how I usually do my mascara, and we'll see. Okay, so I like it for my bottom lashes. My top lashes don't look bad, but it was kind of hard to use on them. My hair from my makeup earlier is a mess. But anyways, yeah, I definitely prefer it for the bottom lashes for sure. The top lashes, I mean, it looks good, it was just kind of a pain. So it's like the main reason why I probably wouldn't do it for the top lashes. But it's definitely a good bottom lash mascara. So yeah. Did I say how much it was? It's $15. So it's not like super crazy, which is kind of nice. But yeah, so I think that's all of it. So let's just add it up really quick. So the total is $159. So that's pretty good. Not as high as the last one I did. The last one was like 200 something, which I think was my most expensive box that I had ever gotten. So that was cool. I mean, you know, you're paying $25. So it's like always gonna be a good deal. But yeah, this box, I think 2 of the things I couldn't really try, or trying to think of what all I got. Yeah, 2 of the things I couldn't really try, but I'm sure they are decent. So yeah, but if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Follow me on my socials, they'll be in the description if you missed them in the beginning of the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.